What if I told you a war happening thousands of kilometers away could still affect your daily life? Right now, tensions are rising in the Middle East, and one powerful country is involved, the United States. But the big question is, why is the USA involved in this conflict? To understand that, we need go to back a little in history. The Middle East one of the most important regions of the world. Why? Because a hug portion of the world oil comes for the region. Oil powered cars, airplanes, factories, and entire economic. For decades, the United States has had strong interest there, not just for oil, but also for political alliance. One of America's closest allies in the region is Israel. Whenever tension rise around Israel, the United States often become involved. Another reason is military presence. The USA has several military bases spread across the Middle East. This base help America monitor threats and protect its allies. But conflict in the region are rarely simple. Many countries have different interests, different alliances, and long histories of disagreement. Sometimes a single event can suddenly increase tensions. A strike, a political decision, or a military response. And when that's happen, global power starts reacting. The world watch closely because a conflict here the entire planet. Oil prices can rise, stock markets can react, and international politics can shift overnight. But many experts ask a bigger question. Could this conflict spread further if more countries become involved? It could turn into much longer regional crisis. However, most world leaders are trying to prevent that from happening. Diplomacy, negotiations, and international pressure are often to avoid a larger war. Because history has shown something important. Large wars rarely benefit anyone. They bring economics problem, political instability, and uncertainty for millions people. So while tensions are may rise, many countries are working behind the scenes to prevent escalation. The real story is still unfolding, and the world continue to watch because sometimes even happening far away can change the further for everyone.